I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make QR codes. We'll start by understanding what a QR code is and why it's so useful for bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. These versatile squares can hold a surprising amount of information, from website links to contact details. Learning to create them is a valuable skill for many applications, both personal and professional. The first step is choosing a reliable QR code generator. There are numerous free options available online that are perfect for simple needs. For more advanced uses, like tracking scans or updating content without changing the code, you might explore paid services. Look for a generator that offers the features you need, whether it's just a basic link or something more complex. Once you've selected your generator, the process is straightforward. You'll input the specific data you want to embed, such as a website URL, a text message, or contact information. Many generators allow you to customize the code's colors and add a logo, making it unique. After generating, simply download the image file, typically in a PNG or SVG format, ready for use. Before deploying your QR code, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Scan it with several different smartphones and QR code reader apps to ensure it works reliably. Make sure the printed code is clear, has good contrast, and is large enough to be easily scanned from its intended distance. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.